We start with the daily chart. You want to see how we can look at the chart. And as we can see, right now we're looking at this one. We want to see whether this is a correction for one more drop before we get the reversal or the price can reverse from here. Because in a bigger picture, we're looking at this one as a correction relative to this. That means still we're looking for continuation. And I need to highlight that most of the chart again, they have a similar movement. And even if this one turned to a correction, how deep the price can go if the price drop either I mean, we can expect the price drop to 1.196. If there is a breakout of 1.196, the next level is 1.06. This is how deep it can go. Now, the only thing is whether the price can drop from here or we can expect to get one move up before we get the down move. All right. Or even the price can reverse from here. I need to highlight that. For me, if the price drop from here, I'm not looking for sell. What I'm looking for one move up. Then from there, we want to see if there is a breakout of this correction, we look for continuation. If not, any sell from there, we will take it because simply, as I mentioned, most of the chart, they have a similar movement. Simply, we can put this one as a three wave internally as a 1, 2, 3 in the bigger picture. And the second wave, we have a three wave structure as well. All right. Now, the only thing is whether this is the only correction and the price can reverse from here, or we can expect to get one more drop. When we refer to the technical analysis based on the Elliott wave, if we get one more drop, any reversal from there, it can give us better confirmation to look for trade. But as I mentioned, if we want to look for trade, if the price drop from here, we are not interested to look for sell. If we want to look for sell, first things we were looking for one move up. If there is a breakout of this correction, then we look for continuation. If not, then from there we can look for sell. That means for the short term, any buy within this range, this is what we're looking for. And how to look for trade. If we move to 1 hour chart, we don't have any trade set up right now. The only ways, if we want to look for buy, we can put our entry somewhere around this one, somewhere around 1.36. And what we want the price sharply break and continue. If the price tag we see is not moving within the first or maximum second hours, we take out the trade. Okay, this is the only way if we want to look for buy within this range. And if we get any buy, if we see the price can break 1.45, we keep the trade by moving our stop loss in the break even. If not, we take out the trade, then any sell from there, we will take the trade because as I mentioned, we can put as a 1, 2, 3 as internally and relative to the 1, 2, 3 for one more drop. Okay, can we expect the price move? I mean, as we mentioned, we want to get one move up. Then from there, we want to see whether the price can break 1.45 or not. If we're looking for the trade from here, what we want the price sharply break and continue. If the price tag, we see there is a continuation as a corrective, we are going to take out the trade. Then from there, if we see the sell, we will take it. All right. By the way, at this point, we're looking for this short-term trade. Then from there, if there is a breakout, we keep. If not, we take out the trade. How about if the price tag and drop? That's why if the price tag we see is not, first we're looking for the kind of sharp move breakout. If the price tag we see is not moving, this is the reasons you are not going to keep the trade more than 2 hours. All right. And how about if the price drop from here? Selling from here is not a really good idea because the only way is to look for sell to put our entry from here. And looking for the sharp move like within this, the only way is to look for lower time frame, either 15-minute or 5-minute. By the way, buying from here by having entry as 1.636 is not really good trade. It's very risky and it depends on the trader. So whether they want to take this trade or not. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.